Imagine walking into school and there are no textbooks, no heavy backpacks, no classrooms filled with rows of desks. Instead, your teacher is an artificial intelligence that knows exactly how you learn best. History class happens inside a virtual reality simulation of ancient Rome. Science experiments are performed with holograms. And homework? It may not even exist anymore. By 2050, education could be completely transformed by technology, artificial intelligence, and personalized learning systems. But will these changes make students smarter or create entirely new problems? Let's explore what school might look like in the year 2050. Today, most students learn the same material at the same speed, but by 2050 that could change completely. Artificial intelligence may create a unique learning path for every student. Imagine two students studying math. One learns visually, the other learns through practice. An AI system could instantly adjust lessons, examples, and exercises to match each student's learning style. Instead of moving through a fixed curriculum, students could advance only after truly mastering a topic. This personalized approach may help students learn faster, reduce frustration, and improve long-term understanding. Many people wonder whether AI will replace teachers. The reality may be very different. Human teachers provide mentorship, emotional support, creativity, and social guidance. These qualities are difficult for machines to replicate. Instead, AI could become a powerful assistant. It could answer questions instantly, generate personalized lessons, track student progress, and identify learning difficulties before they become serious problems. Teachers would spend less time grading papers and more time helping students develop critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills. The classroom of 2050 may combine the strengths of both humans and artificial intelligence. In 2050, students may not simply read about history, they could experience it. Virtual reality technology could allow students to walk through ancient Egypt, witness the signing of important historical documents, or explore distant planets. Geography classes might involve flying over mountains and oceans. Biology students could travel inside the human body. Learning would become far more immersive and interactive than traditional textbooks. Research already shows that people often remember experiences better than information they simply read. Future classrooms may take full advantage of that fact. Homework has been debated for decades. By 2050, technology could make traditional homework unnecessary. AI systems may continuously monitor learning progress during the school day. If a student fully understands a concept, there may be no reason to assign additional practice. Instead, students could focus on real-world projects, creative activities, teamwork, and personal interests. Learning might become more efficient, allowing students to spend less time memorizing information and more time developing useful skills. The future of education could prioritize quality over quantity. One of the most fascinating possibilities involves brain-computer interfaces. Companies today are already developing technology that allows computers to communicate directly with the human brain. By 2050, these systems could become much more advanced. Students might interact with digital information using thoughts alone. Complex simulations could respond instantly to a learner's focus and attention. However, this technology would raise serious ethical questions. How much access should technology have to our minds? Who owns that data, and how do we protect privacy? The future of education may involve not only new opportunities, but entirely new responsibilities. In the future, classrooms may no longer be limited by geography. Students from New York, Tokyo, London, and Sydney could learn together in shared virtual spaces. Language barriers might disappear thanks to real-time AI translation. Children from different cultures could collaborate on projects, solve global challenges, and learn from one another. Education would become more connected than ever before. The classroom of 2050 may be truly global. The school of 2050 could look radically different from the schools we know today. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, personalized learning, and advanced technology may transform how knowledge is delivered and experienced. Some changes could make learning more engaging, efficient, and accessible. Others may introduce new challenges involving privacy, ethics, and human connection. One thing is certain: education has always evolved alongside society, and the next few decades may bring the biggest transformation in human learning history. So here's a question for you. If you could attend school in 2050, would you be excited or nervous? Let us know in the comments.